3 little things that women do, guys secretly love. Yes, I want to disclose with you 3 little things women do that guys secretly love. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 3 things women do that men secretly love it, but they will never tell you. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good video like this, you will get notified of my new upload. Now, what are the secret things women do that men love most, but they will never tell you? Because there are some times when a man will reveal something he loves to a woman. That woman may stop doing them, and this can lead to separation. But men will hide it so that you will be doing it often and often, and this makes every man happy. So when a man loves something, he may not tell you, but secretly he loves it. So in this video, I want to reveal 3 little things, 3 cute things women do that men love most. Number 1, anytime you are with your man, make sure that you rest on his chest. This makes him feel that you are really in love with him. Number 2 is touching his hairs. Yes, when you touch his hairs, maybe the hair on his head, you touch his hairs, you keep rubbing his hairs, rubbing his head. This makes him feel loved, feel respected, and feel among within you. This makes him feel that indeed you truly love him. So anytime you are with your man, make sure that you touch his head, you rub his hair, and praise him. This will make him to love you. And men secretly love this, but they will never tell you as a woman. Number 3, and the last, which men love, but they will not tell you, is cuddling him. Yes, once the both of you lies on the bed, make sure that you cuddle him. Even if he don't want to cuddle him. This will gather his mind together over you. This will make him to love you more and also respect you, cherish you, and do whatever you ask. Men love this, but they will never tell you. It is only men that like to cuddle. Most women don't like to cuddle, but if you are a woman, you want your man to love you, always cuddle him, accept him. This shows acceptance. This shows total submission to him, and men love it, but they will never tell you. So these are the 3 little things, cute things women do that guys secretly love, and that is what I want to share in this video. I hope you get value, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Each time I upload a new content, you will get notification of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your loved ones. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.